Today I'm going to show you how to make PDF file in mobile in Google Drive. So let's begin. I'm going to go ahead and open the Google Drive application. And then in Google Drive, you can press on the plus icon over here. From here, if you click on scan, then you will be able to scan picture. So if I scan this picture with my camera, then I will be able to adjust the corners like this. And if I apply, and then I'll have to click next. And now as you can see, I will be able to save this file as PDF or JPEG. So I will select PDF over here and then I will click on upload. So as you can see, I have uploaded a PDF file using my camera only. However, you can also convert JPG and Google Doc files using your Google Drive too. So here, this sample image is a JPG file, and I'm going to click on the three dots beside this image, and from here I am going to click on print. And now you will find an option to select a printer. So in select a printer, you have to select save as PDF. And then if you click on the download icon, then you will be redirected where you want to save this file as the PDF. So if I click on save, then now let's go ahead and open the file. Now as you can see, this is the sample image JPG which has been saved as a PDF. In similar way, if you have a Google Doc file saved, you can click on the three dot and then you can click on print. After that, when selecting printer, you can select save as PDF and then you can just click on save and click save. And if I go to file manager again, you'll be able to see I have sample PDF which has been saved as a PDF. So guys, that's how you can make PDF files in your mobile in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.